Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. With just a few intentional steps, your backyard can become a sanctuary that brings calm, clarity, and connection to nature. Whether you have a large garden or a tiny corner, creating a Zen space is less about size and more about serenity. Let's explore the most inspiring ideas to help you create your own backyard Zen garden. Designing with simplicity and purpose. Start by clearing clutter and embracing minimalism. Choose a few well-placed elements that evoke peace. A Zen garden should feel open, breathable, and intentional in every detail. Use neutral tones like gray, white, and earthy browns to promote calm and focus. Let your color palette speak softly and allow nature's textures to take the spotlight. Create visual harmony with symmetry or asymmetry that feels balanced. Zen design honors the art of simplicity, where every placement has meaning and every space invites presence. Incorporating natural elements for balance. Use sand, gravel, or small stones to form soft, raked patterns that symbolize flowing water. These textures not only look soothing but give you a meditative ritual to enjoy. Place larger rocks or boulders strategically to represent mountains or strength. In Zen philosophy, stones are grounding elements that connect you with the earth's stillness. Include a small wooden bridge, bamboo fence, or stepping stones to create visual flow. These elements invite mindful movement and a sense of peaceful exploration. Selecting calming plants and greenery. Choose plants like moss, ornamental grasses, or small evergreens to maintain a lush but low-maintenance vibe. These selections stay tidy and look peaceful year-round. Incorporate bamboo or bonsai for a touch of classic Zen character. These plants symbolize resilience, patience, and natural elegance, perfect for mindful gardening. Use wide spacing between plants and keep shapes rounded or trimmed. Clean, open space between greenery creates breathing room for both the eyes and the soul. Creating a space for mindfulness and meditation. Designate a quiet seating area using a natural bench or flat stone slab. This becomes your special spot to pause, reflect, and reconnect with inner peace. Surround this space with soft sounds, wind chimes, rustling bamboo, or the trickle of a fountain. Sound is a powerful tool to bring the mind into the present moment. Add a personal touch like a small Buddha statue, a lantern, or a handmade item that holds meaning. These pieces make the space yours and encourage daily rituals of calm. Lighting and ambience for evening serenity. Use soft, warm lighting from lanterns, solar-powered lights, or candles in protected holders. Gentle lighting extends your Zen experience into the night without harshness. Hang string lights among trees or across pathways to create a magical glow. These touches add a sense of wonder and gently guide you through your tranquil space. Consider using stone lanterns or ground lights to softly highlight key features. This not only adds beauty but keeps the garden feeling safe and sacred after dark. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful journey to create your very own backyard Zen garden. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your space into a calming retreat where stress fades and serenity takes root. Don't forget, peace doesn't need to be far away. It can begin right in your own yard. Now that you've seen how peaceful and powerful a Zen garden can be, just imagine what else you can do with your backyard. It only takes a few smart choices to turn any space into something unforgettable. Ready to be amazed? Click the next video and discover stunning small yard ideas that you've never seen before. It might just change the way you see your outdoor space forever.